My alarm clock has been communicating to me all day. It is turned off, completely off, but it keeps blinking at me and turning on. It really, really wants me to get up and, like, eat or something, I think. Okay, are you going to turn back off now? Or are you just on? Come on, alarm clock. Are you going to just stay on? You know you're off, right? You're not on. Now, I used to think it was the plug on my wall that was doing it, but there's nothing plugged in. There's nothing plugged into that plug. So it's not the plug. It's just the alarm clock. Alright, if I wake up, will you turn off? Is that what you want? You want me to get out of bed? Do you want me to go do something? What would you like me to do? Eat something? Get up? It's just like, but it's been blinking at me all morning. Hello? You know, I don't speak Morse code or anything. Are you going to turn off? Come on, alarm clock. What will you do? I don't know. This didn't do this in my old place. Maybe it's like the ghosties talking to me. I don't know. What do you want me to do? That's the longest it stayed on. Well, I took my Prevacid. Is that good? Yes, that's good. Do you want me to get out of bed? You don't care. Do you want me to turn the TV on? Are you bored? Yes? Okay, I'll turn the TV on if you turn the light off. You don't care? What do you want me to turn on? Oh, okay. I'll turn... I swear, I'm not doing this on purpose, people. I'm not. I'll turn the TV on then, okay? Alright. Okay, I see. You have nothing else to do but watch TV. And me. And I'm boring. I get that. I just play my game all the time. Alright. Alright, I'll turn on the TV. I don't know what the heck. Let me play with my air. I don't want the air to show.
I'm coming back. We're coming back. 2 minutes. That and much more when we come back.
Alright, now you try to mess with this thing. Okay, I get that you're here. TV's on. You like this channel? Do you like this channel? You don't know yet. It's a commercial. I get that. Okay. Okay. I'll see if there's anything else on. I'll talk to you later, alarm clock. Or at least this is all I'm going to film of it for now.